This video we are going to find the values of all the trigonometric ratios for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree by a very easy and a tricky method. Now to calculate the values we have to choose a term that is 0 by 4 for 0 degree, 1 by 4 for 30 degree, 2 by 4 for 45, 3 by 4 for 60 and 4 by 4 for 90 degrees. Now when we will divide 0 by 4, the answer will be 0. 1 by 4, answer will be 1 by 4 as it is. It will cut out, it will comes to be 1 by 2, here it will be 3 by 4 and here it will be 1. Now we have to take under root of all the terms, that is under root 0, under root 1 by 4, under root 1 by 2, under root 3 by 4 and under root 1. Since we know that the answer of under root 0 will be 0, under root 1 will be 1 and under root 4 will be 2. Under root 1 will be 1, under root 2 will be under root 2 as it is. Here it will be under root 3 and here it will be under root 4 will comes out to be 2 and here under root 1 will be 1. So these are the values for sine theta. Sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is under root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree is 1. Now values for cos theta. Cos 0 degree will be, you have to put this value, the value on the extreme right and write it on the extreme left, that is 1. That is cos 0 degree is 1 always. Then write this value, the value on the extreme left of sine theta on the extreme right of cos theta, that is 0. Then this second last value under root 3 by 2 is written here and this value is written here. Only this value is left, it is placed just below where it was. Then tan theta. Since we know tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta, we will divide the value of sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree and the value of tan theta will comes out to be the exact answer. 0 by 1 is always 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. It will be 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. It will comes out to be 1 upon root 3. So it will be 1 upon root 3 here. 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2. It will cancel out. Here it will comes to be 1. For the tan 60 degree. For tan 60 degree, this was tan 30 degree. Now, for tan 60 degree, we will have to divide under root 3 upon 2 by 1 upon 2, that is under root 3 upon 2 into 2 by 1, it will comes out to be root 3 and 1 by 0 will be infinite value. These were the values for the tan theta, sine theta and cos theta. Now we will have to calculate the values for cosecant theta, secant theta and tan theta. Since we know that cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, we will just have to reciprocate the values for the sine theta. and secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, whereas tan theta is the reciprocal, cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore, values for these three trigonometric ratios will be, first of all, cosecant theta. Since sine 0 degree was 0 and cosecant 0 degree will be 1 by 0, that will be infinity. Since sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, cosecant 30 degree will be 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cosecant 45 will be root 2. Sine 60 degree is under root 3 by 2, cosecant 60 degree will be 2 by root 3, and sine 90 degree is 1, cosecant 90 degree will also 1. Then is secant theta. Since cos 0 degree is 1, secant 0 will be 1. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, secant will be 2 by root 3. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, it will be root 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, it will be 2. And cos 90 is 1, it will be infinity. You can check it as we have done in sin theta and cos theta. Extreme left value is on extreme right for the secant theta, and extreme right value is on extreme left in secant theta. Similarly here, and this value is same. Then is cot theta. Cot theta. Tan theta is 0. 1 by 0 will be infinity. Here it will become root 3. Here it will become 1 by root 3, and here it will become 0. So these are the 6 values for the trigonometric ratios, and the trick is that you have to divide here 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. When you will get the answers after dividing them, take under root of all of them and use the answer again.